Hello, this is Pete, M0PSX. On Saturday the 21st of March 2020, Essex Ham was out for a rather different field day. We're a virtual club, and for this event there was virtually no one there. Hello, this is Pete, M0PSX, looking at how to do a field day when there's a pandemic. Here we are, out in the field, a little bit windy, but we've got all the supplies that we need. So I've got my loo roll, I've got my hand sanitizer, I've got my backup hand sanitizer, I've got my face mask, I'm in high vis, and I've got my official guide on how to survive the virus. So here we are for a field day, Golf Bravo 4, Charlie Charlie Delta. With the coronavirus in full effect, hams were self-isolating and social distancing. GB4CCD was on the air on 2 metres, promoting Common Courtesy Day. And common courtesy is something in rather short supply at the moment, it seems. Unlike normal field days, the event wasn't promoted, as promoting social gatherings is a no-no. And of course, our local pub was closed. CQ, this is Golf Bravo 4, Charlie Charlie Delta. Andrew, M0ONH, was also on the field, keeping a very safe distance and working 80 metres, from about 20 metres away. It was good to talk to a dozen or so locals safely at home, as well as club call signs GX4HKO and MX0PFJ.
Yeah, your signal is still around about 5 and 3. We've got bacon, we've got 6 eggs, and we also have a hand wash as well, but it's 9 degrees here in the stable. It's very, very chilly. Back to you, GB4 Common Courtesy Day from MX0PFJ, Peter.
As well as being on 2 metres FM, our rather lonely station even operated some single sideband, because as we know, just at the moment we don't want any carriers.
Golf Bravo 4, Charlie Charlie Delta, Mike 7, Sierra Delta Alpha.
Stay safe, show some common courtesy, and happy hamming.
This feature was brought to you by Essex Ham.